Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Ecamm Live for iPhone captures step by step clearly. Open the Ecamm Live application on your computer. Navigate to the Preferences menu. Click on the Destinations tab. Locate the option for iPhone captures. Ensure your iPhone is connected to your computer. Open the Ecamm Live app on your iPhone. Swipe to the right to access the settings. Select the Connect option. You will see a prompt showing a unique code. Take note of this code. Return to the Ecamm Live application on your computer. In the iPhone capture settings, input the unique code. Click Authenticate to establish the connection. Wait for the confirmation message indicating successful authentication. Once confirmed, you will see your iPhone screen displayed in the Ecamm Live interface. Adjust the settings as needed for your capture session. Your iPhone is now authenticated and ready for use with Ecamm Live. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.